How to stop email going to or being spam in Gmail for the sender who want to send email to their client or their expect one. Create warm connection before reaching out. One of the driving factors for low response rate and spam reporting happens to be out of context and solicited emailing. Use short and relevant subject line as soon as your email lands in your prospects inbox. The subject line is the first thing they say. Remove spam triggering keyword. Free sale offers discount. Best prices clearance. Be your own boss. Expect to earn. Get paid. No credit good. Optimize content for responses rate. Among other signal email services providers like Gmail also monitor your emails engagement in order to judge its intent. This includes open rates and response rates. Ask users to create a filter if you are reaching out to your prospects and not getting responses. It is likely that your email might already be in their spam folder. In such cases, you will have to ask them to create a custom filter for your emails and mark them never send it to the spam. This ensures all future messages get filtered in the new settings. Avoid spam report and continuation from what we discussed around subject lines. Getting spam reports on your email in Gmail is one of the quickest ways to ruin your center reputation. Use the right email client on the technical side of email content. Your email sending IP address is also factored in when it comes to filtering your emails. Remember email block list. Follow the laws and can spam act is a law established for commercial messages and emails to avoid the spread of misleading information. Remove unnecessary HTML and URLs. Stay clear from blacklist. As we discussed earlier, getting into a blacklist would mean your future emails being filtered into spam across all email services, not just Gmail. Using a few online testing tools, you can check if your address is part of default blacklist. Add domain authentication records. If you are using your own domain to send out sales emails, make sure you have added authentication records. Test your emails. Once you have set up the templates of your sales emails, last step you make sure to test your email. Send it to yourself and your colleague to check the formatting and if your emails are landing in the primary folder. Get some of the best email deliverability tools